guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. I am hot and I am tired. I just got done mowing, and you know what? We're gonna review this leaf blower and see how good it is, because I hope it does a good job, because we got some grass on our sidewalk that we need to blow off. So this is how everything comes in the box. You got your extension. By the way, this is cordless, so I'm very curious to see. Little manual in here, charger in here. So this is it, 21 max volt, 2.0 AH. So let's go ahead and test this out and see if it actually does the job. All right, guys, a quick how-to. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. Press it to turn it off. You have two fan options. Now, it shows like there would be two indicator lights on here, but nothing lights up, so that's interesting. Battery slides in the back, and that's it. Let's go, go, go. Guys, so my final thoughts, it actually does a good job. As you guys saw, yeah, got the grass off our sidewalk, so I'm happy with it. It's a good cordless leaf blower. Now, it's not going to be one of those super power leaf blowers that's going to, you know, if you see people, landscapers doing blowing leaves and it looks like they're blowing them a mile away, it's not going to be like that. It's not, you know, it's 21 volts and only a 2.0 AH battery. But for your everyday job, it's going to be good. I like it. I'm happy with it. It gets a Scott pass.